Hello friends, so welcome with Knowledge Extension. Today in this video we're gonna learn the most important languages used for data science. Please watch this video till the end. This will help you out to understand the languages, the basic languages which you should know if you wanted to make up your career in data science. So the first language, the most important, is Python. It is the most versatile and popular language used among the data scientists. It is very easy to understand due to its simple syntax and power data science libraries. In data science, it is commonly used for the data processing, implementation of data analysis, visualization, and deep learning algorithm. Python is best used for automation. If you're learning coding for the first time, then Python can be the good choice. Second, SQL, Structure Query Language, is a very important data language for data science. It is very helpful in dealing with bulk data very easily. It is used for building desktop and web applications. The third, Scala. Scala is an extension of Java. It is faster than Java, in fact. It combines object-oriented and functional programming language. Scala is used for data processing and web development. It is ideal for high volume data. Then is Julia. Julia is easy to learn and fast programming language. It is specially designed for the computational and numerical analysis. It is dynamic and easy to learn language. It is the best for data visualization. If you're liking these videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and these languages, believe us, are the most important languages for data science.